Hi guys! I'm excited kasi we'll be giving you a tour of Tagaytay Highlands. So it's really nice here. Sobrang laki ng place and world-class yung amenities nila. So now we just entered Pinecrest Village. Dito may mga iba-ibang buildings and condo type siya. Welcome! We're now here in Tagaytay Highlands. Okay, we're still here at Pinecrest Village. So, yan yung mga buildings here na may mga units inside. There. So, ang ganda siya. Also, the view is nice. Actually, para kang nasa Switzerland. Hello! We're walking around. Ganda kasi ng view, sobra. And this time, we are at Woodlands. Here, the houses here are all log cabins. So, yan siya. Puro mga log cabins. Ganyan. So, maganda. At saka houses talaga siya. So, malalaki. There. And look at the pine trees. They're so nice. And the view. This is the unit where we're staying. Yan. Ganyan siya sa loob. So, it's big. May taas pa. I'll show you. Yan. That's the living room. There's fireplace. And then kitchen and dining. And then, doon may rooms pa downstairs, doon sa side. And then, up here is another room where we are staying. Tapos, meron pa ditong another receiving area. And it's overlooking down there. Yan. Okay, this one is our bathroom. Yan siya, double vanity. And then, maganda, malaki siya, tama-tama siya for families. There's a shower, and then the tub. Tapos meron siyang sariling sauna. So, kung gusto mo mag-sauna, you have your own sa loob. Ayan. It's nice. Really? Look at that. I'll show you. See? Look at the nice pine trees. Ganda, no? Then the houses are there. That's where we're staying. So we're about to have breakfast. Actually, when we're here, I feel like I'm in another country. Okay, this house is where my cousins are staying. That's the dining, the living room, and then these are the rooms. So it's also nice. It's also big. It's actually bigger than the other house. And this is the back porch. Now, this is the Highlands Golf Course because they have two. There's another one in the Midlands. Ayan, we're now going around. Ang ganda niya talaga. Ang ganda ng view. Look at the sky. Sobrang parang feeling ko ang lapit ko na sa langit. Ito naman is a place where you ride a funicular. It's a small train going down to Midlands. And on your right is Bellevue. Condo din siya overlooking Taal. This one naman is the Spa and Lodge. This one is also nice kasi medyo mataas siya. So you can see the Tagaytay view down there. Yan. So, it's nice. The view is amazing. Picture perfect talaga. Meron din silang chapel. Actually, they have two. And syempre, they have cable cars. They have swimming pools, several actually. And then, meron din silang bowling. They have billiards. Meron ding mga table tennis and tennis courts, and of course, outdoor activities. They also have this animal farm. It's nice. It's like a mini zoo. My son likes it. Yan siya. It's nice. They have different varieties of animals. Actually, it's mostly, I think, miniature animals from different countries. And also, sometimes you're allowed to touch them or pet them. So, nakakatuwa, especially for kids. That's it. I hope you like it. And before I forget, of course, they also have several selections of restaurants. So, marami kayong pwedeng makainan. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.